Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is May 31st of 2021. A happy Memorial Day for those in the US and everywhere. Happy Memorial Day to you too. All right, Bitcoin, has it entered a bear market? Technically, no. What do you have to get into a bear market? Well, you have to have two things. You have to have your prices under your 200-day moving average, which is shown in the red here. That's our 200-day EMA. And the green line is our 50-day EMA. So for a bear market, textbook bear market, you have to have prices under the 200, which we have. You have to have your green under the 200 as well. So the 50-day has to cross down under the 200, which we don't have yet. Is it coming? Probably. Does it mean everything's over and we can all, quit crypto for the next two years? No. It could last a few months. It could last 6 months. We don't know when it's going to last or how long it's going to last, and we don't care. We just look at the charts. Stop listening to social media and all that crap and just look at the charts. They'll tell you what you need to know. Look back here. Back in 2019, or as far as we go back. Look. Bear market right here. 2018, right? We're all familiar with that when that happened. We came out of it here back into bull. Now look, this is the important part. Just because you enter a bear market doesn't mean it has to stay there and get crazy for years at a time. Because right here is a textbook bear market. Bear market here. Bull market here. Bear market here. Bull market here. It doesn't have to last forever. So just because we cross doesn't mean we're going down for the next year or 2 years or anything like that. It just means that you're likely going to spend some time consolidation. Because if you take this price when we entered the bear market and then you fast forward till when we came out, it's basically flat, right? Just consolidation. If you were to buy here and then, or buy here and sell here, you can look at the prices are very similar from when we entered and where we came out at. So that's kind of what we're looking for. Even if we enter, which would likely not be for another few weeks at least, you can kind of see the trajectory of these, right? The green, and especially if Bitcoin just goes sideways, it's probably going to be a few more weeks before we technically enter. Likely, we would spend a few months down in this area ranging. Could be longer, could be a little shorter. The only thing that would prevent these from crossing at this point of time, which could still happen, we don't have to enter a bear market. But it's getting harder and harder by the day. We need prices to really start going here, which could happen, right? We're kind of getting into the W-shaped, loosely W-shaped pattern, which is usually bullish. But when we come up to our 200 day, which is 41.6, and I would anticipate that maybe sometime in the next week or so, maybe we try to get back above that. If we can do that and start closing candles up here and then continue on, I think we can still avoid this cross. We're technically still not in a bear market, regardless of what anybody's saying. So I'll leave it at that. I wanted to give you guys some updates. The weekly charts, let's look at that. So let's put on our 21-week EMA. We have to, so far we're holding the 50-week. Look at this. Another thing I wanted to show you. The 50-week is held as support right now. Back here, it was the 200-week. The 200-week. Now, we've only had the 200-week since 2018. 200 weeks. Yes, that's a long time. Okay? So far, we're still good. So far, our moving averages on the weekly time frame are still doing okay. If we were to just slowly move up over the next few weeks, going into July, maybe we test our 21-week again and we get back above that, great sign. If we get rejected by our 21-week, when we test that, and that, I think that test is coming sometime in the next few weeks to maybe another month, maybe 6 weeks, something like that. That will be our true test. If we get rejected by our 21-week, we're going back down. Plain and simple. Doesn't mean we're going to go back to 30K or lower than 30K. We could go to 10K, okay? Who cares? We just play it one chart at a time, 1 week at a time, and just rely on the data and nothing else. I don't listen to Anybody else talking, I don't pay attention to the news. I don't care. Everything I need to make money and save money and not lose any is found in the charts. That's it. I don't ever watch the news. I recommend you don't either. So I know that's hard to do, but you're going to be a better trader and more successful trader the less news you follow and the more charts you do. All the time you're spending on watching the news and on Twitter and on social media, go practice reading charts. Go back and look at old data. That's how you're going to get better. Not by what did John and Sally say about the bear market and how long it's going to last. That's all opinions. Nobody knows. Nobody knows the future. The only thing certain in crypto is uncertainty. So if you can just rely on the charts, you can still make money. Be patient. Patience will always win in crypto. The emotional feed, I have to make 16 trades today. This guy said that, I feel that it's going to move one way. That's how you lose money. Stop trading on emotion. Trade on facts. Have a strategy. Follow somebody that's been in this before. I've been in this for 4 or 5 years. If it's not me, that's fine. Follow someone else. Maybe you like somebody else better. You probably like somebody else better than me. That's fine. Okay? But yeah, I do this full time. So if you want to follow me on Twitter, Telegram, Patreon, all that's linked in the description below. We're happy to help you out. If you have any questions, check us out. No shills, no frills, just market kills. I don't know. But we'll see you on the next one. We'll do some more updates. We have the monthly close tonight for Bitcoin, for every coin, right? Everything's going on a little bit of a rally here. If Bitcoin goes back and tests its 21-week, the 200-day, those are the levels I'm watching. I suggest you watch those too. Altcoins can still move even if Bitcoin just trends sideways, okay? So that's what I have for you for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you found this a little bit helpful, a little bit short. Memorial Day. Happy Monday. We'll see you tomorrow. Some more video updates. Probably do a link update tomorrow. Everything's looking okay. Link likes to do good in the summer. Don't sleep on Link this summer, even if we go into a bear market. It's okay. Link still does good in bear markets. Look at the last bear market. 2018, 2019. Link was doing good. All right. I'll leave you with that. Go do something. Go outside. Go play on your slip and slide, or I don't know. Fall in a pool somewhere. See you guys.